guys, today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video of this. So this is my new alarm clock and I'm going to be unboxing it. Yeah, it's kind of unusual to have another unboxing video. And by the way, subscribe to my channel, notify yourself, and like this video. Okay, so we have the charger. And this is the alarm clock. Okay, so doesn't work. So I'm thinking that we need to plug this into something. So probably what we need to do is untie the charging cable. Okay, so there we go. So so it goes there. So you see there's this one, and we put this upside down like that. So like that, it just goes in there. That. Okay, have to move you guys to here so that I can show you this. So I think I need to plug it in somewhere. So this is what I'm guessing. So I have this USB thing here. Oh, it's not on, so I need to turn that on. That's so cool. Okay, this is the current time, and it's changing color. That's cool. I saw online when I got it. Okay, I'm gonna probably go with like a red, not that bright. Oh, so I'm gonna put that brightness down. Use that. Oh, that's cool. It looks so bright to you guys. That is the brightest red you can have. Then this is the non-brightest red you can have, but it still looks so bright to you, which is crazy. I mean, it's crazy. What we finish sandwiches. That looks like white on the camera, guys. That's so cool. I'm probably gonna like go with a matching theme. So, oh, that's so cool. I'm probably gonna go. That's not what I need to do. That one's cute. I like that one. Let's not go with off. Who wants that one? Let's change this color first to. But what is that? That is cute. I like that one. So I'm gonna go with that one. And then with the cute background. This one. Does it match? I don't think it matches. I need to. Does this match? Does that match? What matches? Oh my God. Does that change color? It's not changing color. Doesn't change color. Oh, there we go. That one's nice. I'm gonna go with this one. Let's set my alarm. So we're gonna set it for 7:20. That's the current time. Alarm set. And we need to set that for 11:20. So let's set that for 7:20. Oh, whoops, it's too high. And then now, yeah, 11:20 a.m. Let's aim there. Just make sure that it's the right thing. It's basically 1 minute to 9 o'clock. That is when it's gonna ring. Now, set alarm. That's fine. That is current time. That is the current year. If I want to change that year, what year is that? That's 2098. I don't know if I'll be alive back then. No, I don't want all the way down here. What did I just do? It's 9 o'clock, guys. God. Give me the year. I need the year. It's 2079. Okay, let's just go. Yes. 54. How amazing and how convenient. I know that's 2024. So that's fine, and that's enough. 12:15. I just say that. It's probably like 9:01, guys. So I need to write 9:01. Yeah. Perfect. And then time I want to be waked up. 7:20. Perfect. Okay, so this alarm clock is really good. I just got it from Amazon. It sounds so bad. Yeah. Anyways, that's great. But I don't know how I'm gonna get it to work there. So, pressing the snooze, like in the morning when I press the snooze, it will be ringing. Then I'll be like, then it changed color. Hey guys, if you ever get an alarm clock, get this one. It looks so cool. Like actually, it's really good quality. No joke. Yeah, I like it. And it's voice activated, so you can like hit this switch to voice activate it or not voice activated. So let's say this happens. Don't touch it, right? And then something's gonna happen. Look, I know what's gonna happen. It won't touch anything, right? Something's gonna happen. Right? It will turn off at some point. This is what's gonna happen. We'll just do this. Right? See, that happens, right? And if that happens, you see when I talked really loudly and it heard me, right? But if you switch this and you let it to do what it needs to do and it turns off randomly, It's just because like it turns off because you've not touched it for ages. So in the morning it will turn off unless if you voice activate it, meaning no noise. It doesn't turn off, right? If you turn it onto voice activated in the morning, the good thing is that you will be awake and it will go. It'll go like that, right? So then you can press snooze. Ha! See? So, and now let's do the big peel, which I didn't do earlier. That looks so nice. But I'm keeping the big peel on. Don't tell me why. I just like keeping the big peel on, so yeah. And when it's the weekend, if you don't want it to wake you up, you just put weekend. So meaning 5 days, for me 6 days, so I need to press weekend on Saturday. So annoying. So then you can turn off weekend and then, yeah. So guys, that's it from my very cool unboxed alarm clock. And it says, it will see you tomorrow. Actually, no, it says, it will see you in the next video.